All right, let's talk auto insurance. It's one of those things you know you need, but actually picking the right policy, that can feel like decoding hieroglyphics. So let's break it down. Simple, clear, and without the jargon. First up, coverage types. The big three you'll see are: liability covers the other person's expenses if you're at fault in an accident. Think medical bills or car repairs. Collision pays for damage to your own car, whether you hit another car, a tree, or even a shopping cart gone rogue. And comprehensive? That's for the weird stuff. Theft, vandalism, or a hailstorm turning your hood into Swiss cheese. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Each state has its own minimum requirements, but those are just the basics. If you want real protection, you'll probably need more than the bare minimum. Ask yourself, how much can you actually afford to pay out of pocket if something goes wrong? That's where deductibles come in, the amount you pay before your insurance kicks in. Higher deductible, lower monthly premium, but more risk for you. It's a balancing act. Let's talk extras. Ever heard of uninsured motorist coverage? Personal injury protection, or PIP, which covers medical expenses for you and your passengers, no matter who's at fault. And rental car reimbursement can be a lifesaver if your car's in the shop after an accident. Before you buy, compare quotes. Seriously, don't just take the first offer. Prices can vary a lot for the same coverage, so shop around. Look at reviews, how they handle claims, and their customer service. Cheap isn't always better if getting paid out takes forever. Here's the bottom line. Auto insurance is about protecting yourself from the unexpected. Think about your car, your budget, and your peace of mind. Take a little time now to understand your options, and you'll save yourself a ton of stress down the road. Drive safe and make smart choices. Thanks for watching.